If you watched my video last week of doing the head gasket, you know that I put in these James rigid core intake seals. Don't do that. I'm back in there again this weekend changing it. I put in like 400 miles on the bike yesterday and stopped at the local Harley shop and got some of the OEM Harley seals. Those just were a pain to stuff in there, and they actually, when you crank them down, they bend the flange a little bit. So I straightened these back out so they're perfectly flat again. So we're going to put these back in. Just didn't like the way they went in, and since it went in so hard, it did end up ripping the rubber seal there. So don't do it. But these should be much easier to install, just like in the video, just easier. So, and they're $2.79 a piece from the Harley dealer, so they're not expensive. But just means I had to take things apart again, which I don't mind. Yeah, those rigid core gaskets were a serious screw up. I mean, that just slid right in there, so beautiful. No prying, no jacking around. The flanges fit flush except for the, the little cutout section that's supposed to be raised. So everything's good. If you got the rigid core gaskets, do yourself a favor, throw them.